Man, that's the hard part about building a boat. Man, trying to suck this water out. Try to run a hose down there, try to get it out, trying to do all this. Man, we need to get some poolcrete in here. But I'm gonna try to run my hose right there, a little bit of water hose, so I can suck it up here and just start dumping this water out. Yeah, this old pool build is not all peaches and cream. As I'm working down here trying to get this water out. Man. Maybe one way to do it. Gotta get in here with a doggone shop vac. I made about 30 trips. Well, I can't even tell how much I've done. Maybe 3 inches of the water. And that's all it looked like. Woo, look at those slick, man. I'm working my butt off. I done made about 20 or 30 trips up this hill, sucking this water out, but man, just trying to get it done. That's all I can do. Now it's full. Pull the hose off. Shut this off. I got that much water. Sucking that water out. Oh yeah. That means it's full. I'm gonna walk it back up there. About 5 gallons. Getting lower. A lot of work, but working out. Man, we're getting towards the end. I got it all done. Let's get down here. This is the last spot. I'm gonna walk down here. I ain't never walked down here before. I hope I don't sink up to my knees. I don't think I will. Oh, yep, sunk up a bit. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig a hole right here. I'm gonna dig a hole, put that hose in. And I think we're going to designate that as the low spot. Trench going each way. All right, now we got a low spot. Man, it's so dirty, I don't know how to turn this off. That's all I can do. Okay, I'm gonna leave that down in case some of that settles in tonight. Like I said, they're supposed to come tomorrow. Ooh, what a good old slick. Dredgers. Hey, what a man to do to save $90. Hey, if you can work, save that money.